देवियों सज्जनों नमस्कार। आप सभी का इस कार्यक्रम में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। प्यारे दोस्तों, हर बार की ही तरह एक बार फिर मैं अपने देश के लिए, अपने लोगों के लिए, उनके स्वास्थ्य के लिए आपके सामने आया हूं। हमारे यहां आने का मकसद बेहद साफ और सफाई से जुड़ा हुआ है। हम एनडीटीवी डेटॉल बनेगा स्वच्छ इंडिया मुहिम के चौथे सीज़न की शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं। पिछले साल आप सभी ने मेरे साथ मेरे 10 गज़ की सफाई का प्रण लिया था। इस साल हम उस 10 गज़ को दायरे का, जो दायरा है 10 गज़ का, वो 3 कदम आगे बढ़ाएंगे। आपके आसपास किसी भी तरह का कचरा, चाहे वो जैविक कचरा हो या सूखा कचरा हो, सभी कचरे की अपनी एक अहमियत होती है, बशर्ते उसे सही तरीके से छांटा जाए। कचरा पैदा होने वाली जगह पर ही अगर उसकी छटाई कर दी जाए, उसको छांट लिया जाए, तो इससे उसे रिसाइकिल करने में आसानी होती है और साथ ही साथ लैंडफिल पर पड़ने वाला कचरे का जो बोझ है वो भी कम हो जाता है। इसलिए स्वच्छ भारत की ओर से 3 कदम बेहद ज़रूरी हो जाते हैं। सबसे पहले अपने 10 गज़ की सफाई कीजिए, कचरे को छांटिए और उसे कंपोस्ट बनाइए या कंपोस्ट कीजिए। इस तरह से आप देश पर पड़ रहे कचरे के बोझ को कम कर सकते हैं। आज देखिए, हम इस बेहद ही साधारण सी दिखने वाली सोसाइटी में यहाँ मौजूद हैं, लेकिन साधारण सी दिखने वाली ये सोसाइटी कई मायनों में बेहद ख़ास है। यहाँ के लोगों ने इन 3 कदमों को अपनाकर स्वच्छ भारत की ओर बढ़ने की शुरुआत की है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। और अब मैं विक्रम को आमंत्रित करता हूं।
Bachchan ji, thank you so much as always, sir, for being with us. I'd also like to invite our partner Nitish of RB and Manisha, who's the Principal Secretary Urban Development in Maharashtra, doing a lot of work in Swachh India. It's always a pleasure, sir, to have you with us. And Nitish, as we move towards season 4 of this initiative of trying to clean up India. So it's all science studies have shown that the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is perhaps the most successful, one of the most successful campaigns that the government has done, and it's got a lot of popular support. Now, we have over the last 2 or 3 years, as you know, raised funds, 281 crore rupees. We got more than 1 crore of hours pledged to people. And then you spoke about this, Mere 10 Gaz, which is cleaning up the area. Today we're talking about waste management, which perhaps is one of the most important areas going forward.
As I was just saying, Vikram, I'm very happy that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has taken off so well and has become very popular. But we now need to move to the next step. Last year we pledged 10 Gaz, 10 yards of the area where you stay. If everyone cleans it up, then the entire region gets clean. But now what we need to do is what to do with that waste. So what we are asking people to do now is to, first of all, collect the waste, segregate it, and then transfer it into compost. Compost, as we all know, is a very healthy ingredient, can be used as fertilizers. And also the fact is that you don't have to get rid of this garbage into the landfill. You actually convert it into something more productive.
And that's really, really required because people don't understand just how much waste is being generated. Something like 1 lakh tons. Nitish, I'm going to just get you, before I get Nitish in here. The amount of garbage that is actually being collected across India, something like 1 lakh tons a day. The figures are frightening.
Actually, this thing is so timely because in Maharashtra, from 1st of May onwards, we are beginning a campaign of segregation of waste, and we plan to take it in the next 7 months. But the idea is to tell each household to segregate their waste into wet waste and dry waste, and do composting out of wet waste.
Okay. Nitish, let's just view, as we start walking, just wanted to get one quick opening comment from you. The campaign itself, collected funds, collected hours, then Mr. Bachchan said you start cleaning up your area, and last year we did a lot of focus on 10 iconic locations of tourist interest, which have now been cleaned up.
I think this is really the passing on of the movement to individuals. I think ultimately it becomes a movement when people start taking responsibility themselves. And if people commit to making sure that their 10 yards are clean and the rubbish that basically is being generated in that area is properly taken care of, that's really attacking the root of the problem. So I think this is the way it becomes really a mass cleanup exercise.
Well, let's just take an example, sir, if we can, as we start walking, of what this particular house in Korani has done. We are here in Mumbai. This is the Vijayanagar Housing Society. There are 2,000 people out here, sir. And they collect 4,500 kilograms of wet waste every single day. Now, that could be, actually that will just end up in a landfill, but they segregate it, they compost it, and they separate it, and that's what we're going to be seeing now.
I think that's really wonderful. And I'm so happy that, you know, through our campaigns, we've been able to propagate this idea of not just getting rid of waste and garbage, but also making use of it by converting it into compost. Many people, for example, you know, dry leaves, waste food, for example, that needs to be segregated from glass and plastic.
Yeah.
And all this goes into a machine which converts it into compost.
Yeah.
And that is used as a fertilizer. You can use it in your lawns and all these plants. If you can put it up, it's very healthy for them. So you don't actually get rid of the garbage. Yes, it's wonderful to collect the garbage.
Right.
But eventually to put it away somewhere is also a problem.
Right.
कैसे आपने ये सब किया? तो पहले आप लोग garbage collect करते हैं, कचरा, ओके, फिर उसको छांटते हैं आप.
ड्राई वेस्ट में सब प्लास्टिक है, मेटल का कुछ है, थर्माकोल का कुछ है, वो सब मटेरियल उसमें जाता है.
ओके.
हाँ, और ये जो वेट वेस्ट आप देख रहे हैं उसमें मैक्सिमम किचन वेस्ट ही रहता है, क्योंकि वो जो
वेजिटेबल के छिलके वगैरह जी
अनयूज पार्ट है, यहाँ तक कि लेफ्ट ओवर फूड या फिर स्पॉइल्ड फूड भी उसमें डाला जाता है
जी.
तो वो सबका मैन्योर बनता है.
जी जी बिल्कुल.
और इसके सेग्रीगेशन का मकसद ये है कि जो ड्राई वेस्ट है वो रिसाइकिल हो सकता है, और अगर उस कचड़े के साथ ये वाला कचड़ा अगर मिक्सड अप है तो फिर उसको रिसाइकिल करना मुश्किल है. यही मेन मकसद है.
We do not put e-waste in either of these garbages. We conduct e-drive every 6 months.
Every 6 months.
Electronic waste.
ओह ओके. हर 6 महीने आप ये करते हैं. कितने बच्चों को आपने ये सब सिखाया है? बहुत सारे. सोसाइटी में जितने आपके बच्चे हैं.
फिर नेक्स्ट क्या होता है, यहाँ से कहाँ जाता है?
उठा के हम लोग जहाँ पे पिट्स कंस्ट्रक्ट किया हुआ है यहाँ पे लेके जाते हैं.
Okay, let's go and see the pits then. Manisha, is this pretty much as per
Yes,
best practice?
it is indeed a best practice, and we have in fact requested these wonderful ladies out here to act as volunteers or ambassadors to other societies in Mumbai.
You're thinking of how to roll this out in every
Actually, I had
society.
a question for them. अगर कोई आपके साथ कोऑपरेट नहीं करता है, आपके सोसाइटी में इतने लोग हैं, सभी तो नहीं करते होंगे, तो आप उनको कैसे मनाते हैं फिर?
शुरू में थोड़ी तकलीफ होती थी, नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोलूँगी, लेकिन धीरे धीरे आज सबको ये मालूम हो गया है कि ये दिस इज़ नीड ऑफ एन आर्ट. सो कन्विंस करने के लिए एक पॉइंट भी बहुत ज़रूरी है बोलने को, कि हमारे घर का कचरा किसी और के सामने, घर के सामने, किसी और के दरवाजे के सामने डाल के फेंक के हम खुद को साफ सुथरा नहीं महसूस कर पाएंगे.
इसमें कुछ इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट भी होता होगा. रिसाइकिल करके पैसा आ सकता है, और जो बायोडिग्रेडेबल है उससे कंपोस्ट बनता है, मैन्योर.
बाय प्रोडक्ट बोल सकते हैं
वो बाय प्रोडक्ट है.
सर, रिसाइकलिंग वाला जो है ना, वी आर गिविंग इट टू आकार ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विच इज सपोर्टेड बाय BMC. सो दैट गोज देयर वेयर एक्चुअली दे हैव यूनाइटेड रैक पिकर्स. थ्रू देम इट गोज टू रिसाइकलर्स, सो दे गेट सम अर्निंग. So we give our dry garbage free of cost.
But let's walk if we can and see the compost pits which are there. Manisha, can you?
Yes, I think we are all convinced that if we have to make India Swachh one day, this is the beginning. You segregate your waste, wet waste becomes compost, dry waste goes for recycling.
And right now, if you could just tell us the scale of the problem. I mean, the number of landfills there are 20. I mean, most of the big cities have landfills, and they are already getting filled up because the amount is so much.
That is
a million tons every 10
not
days.
going to be sustainable. In Maharashtra, for instance, much of the waste is mixed waste today, and it goes all in the dump site or the landfill. But if we do it this way, I feel very confident that in the next 2 years, at least 50% of our cities will be segregating waste and therefore solving the problem of our garbage.
I just feel the mindset of people has to change. I mean, it's all very well that we provide all these technical facilities and campaigns, but I do feel, you know, Vikram, that there should be a campaign how to change the mindset of people.
Yes, sir.
वो अपना निकाला उधर फेंक दिया, या मेरा नहीं है, ये किसी और का है. You know, that attitude has to change, because once that attitude changes, we start working collectively. And today at this society, it's a wonderful example to see that as a society, they're all committed to one simple cause.
That biodegradable waste, this is what happens to it. It comes here, at the back of the society to these 2 pits where it is translated into compost.
Sir, we have employed Stree Mukti Sangatana for this actually. Stree Mukti Sangatana has also organized rag pickers. So
That's an association?
yeah. So 3 Parisar Bhaginis are being employed to carry out this composting procedure over here.
Right.
We have total 5 locations, 10 composting pits. So every location we have 2. One will be redundant and one will be working.
वर्किंग
So-
है। मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि जितना भी गार्बेज आता है सेपरेशन के बाद, सेग्रीगेशन के बाद, उसको यहाँ डाल देते हैं।
यहाँ डाल देते हैं।
यहाँ पर डालने के बाद क्या प्रोसेस होता है? कोई केमिकल प्रोसेस है?
It's like fermentation of curd.
Oh,
So
okay,
daily पहला वाला curd लेके दूसरा लगाते हैं. Similar to that. Earlier 2 years back, whatever culture we had brought from him. So the same culture we are
तो
continuing.
बस इसमें डाल देते हैं, अपने आप compost बन जाता है.
And churning is the key.
Churning करना
So
पड़ता है.
you can see these are the pipes which are there for aeration.
Okay.
Aeration is required for composting.
वो उठाते हैं पूरा कचरा यहाँ पे, उसमें से अगर जो भी कुछ प्लास्टिक अगर कुछ बचता है तो वो
They
वापस एक
segregate
बार
it here.
सेग्रीगेट हो जाता है. जो भी कुछ सेग्रीगेट होने के बाद वो ड्राई में चला जाता है. और अभी एक बार वो वापस थोड़ा छिलका रहेगा तो थोड़ा कट करेंगे ताकि ज़्यादा से फास्ट उसका डिकम्पोजिशन हो जाए, क्योंकि अगर वो बड़ा हम लोग रखेंगे तो उसको डिकम्पोजिशन होने में टाइम लग जाता है, इसलिए थोड़ा वो कट करेंगे उसको.
जितना प्योर वेस्ट का कंपोस्ट होगा सर, प्योर ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट का, उतनी उसकी कमर्शियल वैल्यू
होती है, बढ़ती है।
बिकॉज वी आर ऑल्सो टाइंग अप विद द एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट, बिकॉज फार्मर्स आर ऑलवेज इन नीड ऑफ कंपोस्ट. देयर ओनली कंडीशन इज दैट इट शुडंट कम फ्रॉम मिक्स्ड वेस्ट, मतलब उसमें प्लास्टिक ना हो, ग्लास ना हो. सो अगर आप प्योर वेट वेस्ट का कंपोस्ट बनाते हैं, इट हैज़ अ ह्यूज मार्केट.
और अगर मशीन का होगा तो उसको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लगती है, तो हम लोग वो भी चाहते हैं कि वो भी थोड़ा हम लोग पावर
मोर ग्रीन
यूज सेव
So
करें.
there are wonderful machines actually that compost.
So this compost can be used by farmers. So you don't need, instead of urea and other fertilizers, this is
no,
all
alternate.
natural.
We have got it tested
Compost is
from
really good
RCF.
for farming.
RCF का वहाँ पे रिजल्ट मिला है हमें. They told
टेस्ट
that
करवाया
this
है
is good
RCF
quality.
से.
This is the final product. Oh wow, look at that. Superb.
We have named
We use it for our plantation.
And this ever-growing demand
डाल
for
दें?
organic vegetables
Yes.
will actually be met ultimately by this compost.
स्वच्छता है एक लहर, दिन हो या शाम या शहर, स्वच्छता है एक लहर, ये लहर उठा चुका है इंडिया.
What I find most impressive is that इतनी छोटी जगह में पूरे सोसाइटी का 1 महीने का कचरा
नहीं, एक नहीं है, हमारे पास
10 pits we have.
5
10
locations.
लोकेशन पे 10
There'll be 5 pits. It's a big
बहुत कम
society.
जगह है for a
Right,
All
so,
the
you know,
same,
and
they
it's-
have 10 such.
10
pits.
such pits.
Every
but
location.
the
30
interesting
kg.
thing about this society is you also do sewage treatment.
We have 2 plants. One plant is located here, which takes care of half the society, which is about 135 cubic meters. And there is one more plant on the other side, which is 150 square meter, which takes care of other half of the society. We have total 500 blocks, and all the water which is from the washroom, basin and sink, it is collected. Around 80,000 liters of water we treat it and then use it for our all flushes. Around 900 flush tanks of all toilets are being provided this water.
You recycle that water?
Yes, we give a treatment,
So
aeration.
you're actually saving water.
Yes, we are saving 80,000 liter of tap water or BMC water every day. So that is something we are giving to the nature earth from our side.
I think what Amitji said started by saying that if a lot more societies would take the onus on their own, can the government also give assistance to get others to do it? Because then your problem becomes so much less.
Absolutely. Actually, what we really need is pioneers and role models. I am sure lot of societies are going to take the role Vijayanagar as an Adarsha or ideal and do it. And in fact, because we are starting this campaign on 1st of May, we are in discussion with all corporations to involve their citizens and involve the pioneers. And I think Vijayanagar can really take it forward to other
You
societies.
know, why don't you initiate some kind of an incentive? That if a particular society does this kind of work, you know, you can be rewarded. You know, some of us can actually go and
Yes, sir.
Yes.
be present there. We can publicize
Some rebate
it.
in the property tax or something can be thought of.
I think that's not a bad idea.
I can volunteer to.
He's
Yes,
quick.
sir.
We have submitted the request for giving us a rebate in property tax.
Sir, so far as Maharashtra is concerned, we have an event coming up in the mid of May. We would certainly see to it that some incentive for zero garbage.
We've seen an example out here of how it actually works in practice. I'm going to take a very quick break, sir, and then we can maybe we have some other experts joining us, and we can try and get some thoughts on how to actually roll this out at a pan-India level. What